Hey, hello guys. Today we are traveling to the beautiful Salzburg, which is in northwest Austria, a city on the border of Germany with views of the Eastern Alps. It's one of the most Europe's beautiful cities, both for its architecture and magnificent views. Do subscribe and press the bell icon below for more such videos. We started our journey from Amsterdam and flew directly over to Salzburg, and we tried to capture the beautiful glimpse of the city before we touched down. The city is divided by the Salzach River with medieval and Baroque buildings on the pedestrian Old City on its left bank, facing the 19th century New City on its right. The name Salzburg means salt castle. The name derives from the barges carrying salt on the river Salzach, which were subject to a toll in the 8th century, as was customary for many communities and cities on European rivers. We now let you enjoy the beautiful views of the city as we pass by the Salzach River. We now arrive at the Lovelock Bridge, which is one of the main attractions as we cross the Salzach River. This is because of the thousands of locks that have been attached to it by both young and not so young lovers. It has been a century-old tradition for lovers to inscribe a lock with their initials and attach it to the bridge. Then they toss the key into the river to symbolize their never-ending love. German is the official language of Austria, with most people in Salzburg speaking the Austro-Bavarian dialect. Most of the younger generation in Salzburg speak English fairly well. And to give you insight into the Austrian culture, the Altstadt, which is the old town, is the birthplace of the famed composer Mozart. There is a museum in his honor, preserving his childhood instruments. One of the must-do activities is to take the funicular to Hohensalzburg Fortress, wherein you'll be rewarded with wonderful panoramic views of the beautiful city. Hohensalzburg Fortress is a large medieval fortress in the city of Salzburg, Austria. The fortress is 250 meter long and 150 meter wide, making it one of the largest medieval castles in Europe. The construction of the fortress began in 1077. The original design was a basic bailey with a wooden wall. In the Holy Roman Empire, the archbishops of Salzburg were already powerful political figures, and they expanded the fortress to protect their interests. The fortress was refurbished from the late 19th century onwards and became a major tourist attraction with the funicular railway opened in 1892. It stands today as one of the best preserved castles in Europe. Salzburg is a charming city that has gained the nickname the stage of the world. After a tiring day, we replenished our calories with some burgers and sandwiches. Hope you enjoyed our video. Do let us know your feedback in the comment section below.